Highway Code Rule 264. Drivers must keep left unless overtaking. Middle lane hogging is classed as careless driving under UK law. Since 2013, police can issue £100 fines and 3 penalty points on the spot. Traffic funnels into the outside lane. When the middle lane is blocked, faster vehicles pile into the right lane, reducing efficiency. Reduced road capacity. Instead of 3 usable lanes, drivers are forced into 2. Frustration and risky behavior. Tailgating, sudden lane changes, and even illegal undertaking increase accident risk. The ripple effect, picture this. 1 car hogs the middle lane. The driver behind has to cross 2 lanes to overtake, then back again. That's 4 lane changes instead of 2. Multiply that by hundreds of cars and you've got congestion, frustration, and chaos. The solution: keep left unless overtaking. It's the golden rule. Plan overtakes efficiently. Don't sit in the middle, just in case. Return to the left lane as soon as it's safe.